Hello everyone, hope you are well and safe. I, Maud Mishra, presenting you a video on subject Computer for class 6. The topic of this video is Scratch program. So, the topics covered in this video will be Scratch interface, block palette, script area, stage list, description of functions and type of blocks. So now let's start with Scratch interface. The Scratch user is the environment of the Scratch program which divided the screen into the several panes which have a different functions, from picking blocks to a code with, to coding, or to seeing your code in actions. Several panes are as follows. On the left of side is a block palette, in the middle the script area, and on the right side is known as your stage and the sprite list. So here is the window of Scratch programming. As I told you earlier, the Scratch development environment divided the screen into the several panes. On the left you can see the block palette, in the middle the current sprite info and the script area, and on the right the stage and the sprite list. The block palette has a code fragment that can be dragged onto the script area to make a programs. To keep the palette from being too big, they have organized into the 8 group of blocks that are controls, motion, look, sound, pen, sensing, operators and variable. Here I am presenting you the block palette. The block palette is an area of the Scratch user interface located to the left of the code area. It has code fragments called blocks that can be dragged onto the scripts are to make programs called project. Now comes the script area. Here you can all see the script area is an area on the right side of the editor where the scripts could be stored. Here blocks are dragged from the blocks palette to the script area to be stored and executed in a project. Now here you can see your stage list. The stage is the term for the background of the project. A stage has some restrictions as compared to sprites. Here you can see your stories, games and animations come to life. You can move and interact your sprite with one another on the stage. Feature of stage: a stage is stationary. You cannot use your motion block and any pen function here. It has no size blocks, no touching blocks and no distance to block in the sensing category. You cannot be renamed stage and you cannot change the layer here. Here how you can edit your sprite by using sprite rotation style, current sprite info and tabs. Sprite rotation style controls shows the direction of a sprite can face in. Depending on the rotation style of a sprite, and the sprite may appear to be facing a different direction to its true value. Current sprite info shows a sprite name or XY position and directions. Here direction indicates how the sprite will turn when it executes a move. By using the tab button you can include script, costume and sound pane. Sprite list: here you can see number of sprite which you have used already in programming. You can select any of the sprite here for editing. On the top left corner you can see new sprite button. These buttons allow us to draw your own character or an object. You can paint freely here and to erase drawing you have already made. On the right side top you can see mouse XY displays. This shows the location of a cursor. When the green flag has been clicked, you can move Scratch around the screen using the arrow key on the keyboard. Stage: where your Scratch creation come to life. We can control stage by view mode, presentation mode, green flag, stop sign and a toolbar. What is your view mode? This mode help us in changing the stage of large and small view. Presentation mode: this help us in presenting our project. Green flag: this mode indicate to start our project. Stop sign: This sign gives an indication to stop the project. Last, toolbar. The toolbar at the top of the stage contains controls and information for editing scenes and symbols and for changing magnifications level of the stage. Working with sprites. The sprite list displays thumbnails for all sprites in a project. The name of each sprite appears below in thumbnail. To see and edit a sprite script, costume and sounds, click on the sprite thumbnail in the sprite list or double click on the sprite itself on the stage. The selected sprite is highlighted and outlined in a blue in the sprite list. To show, export this sprite, duplicate and delete a sprite and right click on the sprite thumbnail in the sprite list. You can rearrange the sprite in the sprite list by dragging the thumbnails, just as a sprite can change its appearance by switching costume. The stage can change its appearance by switching background. Block palette. Block palette is an area of the graphical user interface located between the stage, sprite pane and scripting area. Block palette is a category of blocks that are color coded and can be clicked to bring up a new set of blocks, which you can drag into the scripting area to program a sprite or the stage. By selecting the scripts tab in the upper area of the Scratch program, the block palette will be opened. The block palette consists of every block that is built into Scratch. Some blocks are taken on certain value by default in their parameters, but others are variably controlled depending on the context of the associated sprite current values. Script area. The script area is the area on the right side of the project editor where scripts are assembled. It can be accessed from both the stage and from sprites. Though the stage and each sprites have separated script area and scripts. It is a gray pin-striped rectangle. Its menu consists of three options when right clicked. They are cleanup, save picture to scripts and add comments. To code in Scratch, the drag blocks out from the 8 palettes and assemble them in the script. Description of functions. Scratch 2.0 is also called as Scratch 2, which is the second major and latest version of Scratch, following Scratch 1.4. It features a redesigned editor and website, and it also allows you to edit project directly from web browser as well as in an offline editor. Blocks are puzzle piece shapes that are used to create code in Scratch. The blocks connect to each other like jigsaw puzzles, where each data type has its own shape and a specially shaped slot for it to be inserted into this. To prevent syntax error, series of connected blocks are called scripts. There are mainly 10 color-coded categories of block in Scratch 2.0. They are events, looks, control, motion, sensing, pen, operators, data, more block and sound. Here you can see 10 color-coded categories of block in Scratch 2.0. Event, looks, control, motion, sensing, pen, operator, data, more block and sound. Thank you for watching this video.